Sports injury can happen from the cervical spine to the toe. Traditionally, sports injury has been classified into surgeries which are addressed by a procedure called arthroscopy. But you are confining sports injury into ankle injury, shoulder injury, knee injury, hip injury. All these major joints are invaded by an instrument called arthroscope, which is a telescope you put inside the joint and you treat the injury. Thankfully, by arthroscopy, without cutting open, just by doing a puncture into the knee and you do the surgery, the recovery is very fast. You go back to as good as normal within a couple of months' time, and you are able to not compromise on your sporting activity, on your leisure activity, on your running activity. Sprain is an evolving tear. If you have less than 25% tear, there are good chances that the sprain will heal. So therefore it is called a sprain. After that it starts becoming a tear which will not heal and will leave a permanent disability. So if you have a sprain, if doctor has classified it as a sprain, you make sure that muscle or ligaments are rested and they are given time to heal because they can heal. But if it goes beyond a certain level of sprain, it will not heal and you will need a surgery. Treat it carefully, treat it nicely, give it rest, give it ice packs, give it immobilization, and it will never trouble you in future. Take it seriously. Tendon is an elastic connect between your muscle and the bone. So it is a place where the softness of muscle or elasticity of muscle is changing into the hardness of the bone. So the junction of tendon and the bone is a place which is prone to a lot of assault because of the way we run, we play, we jump, we twist. And at that point of time, some fibers they get eroded and then they again reattach. And sometimes the covering of the tendon gets inflamed because of our activities or some other reasons like uric acid issues or arthritis, etc. When that happens, it becomes a weak junction. It tries to heal. And this inflammatory process of breaking and healing is called tendinitis. So if you have pain, rest it, ice it. It will get better. It is a pain on the outer aspect of the elbow. It can happen because of one, that your elbow is hurt due to several reasons and your bone is inflamed. The second, that there is a group of muscle which lifts your wrist like this and it starts from your elbow on this side. If that muscle attachment is torn or sprained, that also is a tennis elbow.